Activity 6, number 1. Using a while loop, draw a flowchart to display hello 3 times. So in order to perform a trace, we're going to, on this, on the right side of the screen, we have here um, the trace where we put all of the variables used in the flowchart, where we can see the changing values that will be placed into the variables. And then whenever there's an output, we put those values in this portion here. So now we begin. So for first, we're going to start from the start symbol, and then following the direction of the arrow, we have C is equal to 1. So now we have an initial value for C. I'm just going to select here when, and then should be 1. Okay, so in the initial value of the variable C is 1. Next, following the direction of the arrow, we have here a condition. Then we are going to evaluate if it is true or false. So 1 is less than or equal to 3 is true. So following the arrow, this is the path, the true path. And then here we have our first output. So we're just going to put here the message hello. Okay, next. So just following the direction of the arrow, we have C is equal to C plus 1. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2. The value 2 goes to the variable C. So now, here, we're going to remove this because it will now be replaced with the new value 2. Then we're just going to follow the direction of the arrow. It goes back to the condition. The value of C is 2. 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. And so we're going here. Then we have our next output. So I'm just going to write it here, just below the first output below. Next, we're going here. C plus 1. The current value of C is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 goes to the variable C. So just going to replace this one with the new value 3. Following the arrow, we're going here again. So our current value for C is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. Next, we go again here. Here's the next output. Next, the current value of C is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 goes to C. So I'm just going to replace this with a value for new value for us. Then following the arrow, we go back here again. The current value of C is 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 is now false. So this is now the path, the false path, and then it leads to stop. So this indicates the end of the flowchart. So the flowchart successfully displayed hello 3 times using while